Magdi, you know how I always wanted to bring greener into the city?
Of course, you've turned every balcony into a jungle.
Well, it's official now. I've started my own urban gardening consultancy.
That's awesome. But setting that up must have needed funds.
True, but I'd been investing through a SIP in an equity savings fund for a few years.
Equity savings fund?
Yes, it's a type of hybrid mutual fund that invests in equity, debt, and arbitrage opportunities, each playing a different role in managing potential risk-adjusted returns.
So while you were planting seeds in pots, you were also planning for your future.
Exactly. Small steps, consistency, and a bit of planning go a long way.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.